Today, we'll be looking at a phenomenon called global warming. What exactly is global warming? What causes it? What are the effects? And what can we do about it? We'll be looking at these 4 questions later on. Global warming is the increase in temperature of the surface of the Earth due to greenhouse gases such as water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. These greenhouse gases play a major role in determining the temperature of the Earth. When light from the sun enters the troposphere and strikes the Earth, the light energy is converted to heat. Heat energy then rises from the Earth and back into the troposphere. Some of the heat energy escapes through the troposphere and back into space. However, most of the heat is trapped by greenhouse gases, reflecting radiation from heat back towards the surface of the Earth. Without greenhouse gases, the Earth would be as cold as the moon and no life form could survive. The main causes of global warming include the burning of fossil fuels, transportation, the rearing of livestock, agriculture, the industry, and residential and commercial buildings. These factors account for up to 80% of all greenhouse gas emissions. The greenhouse effect isn't bad, as without it, life forms could not exist. However, global warming causes surface temperature of the Earth to rise to dangerously high levels. This can cause many different life forms to go extinct from the face of the Earth. A simple way to reduce greenhouse gas emissions is to replace everyday incandescent light bulbs with CFLs or LEDs. One CFL light bulb can reduce up to 500 kg of CO2 emissions over the span of its lifetime, and an LED can reduce even more. How are CFL and LEDs more energy efficient? Firstly, we have to look at how a normal incandescent light bulb works. Incandescent light bulbs work when an electrical current is passed through a wire. The wire becomes so hot that it glows, thus producing light. However, this method is not energy efficient, as most of the electrical energy is converted to heat energy and not light energy. In a CFL, the electrical current is passed through a tube containing argon and mercury vapor. This produces ultraviolet light, which causes the fluorescent coating on the inside to emit visible light. CFLs use up to 70% less energy to produce the same amount of light. In the LED, there are many semiconductors called light-emitting diodes. When electrons passes through this type of semiconductors, it is converted to light. As compared to CFLs and incandescents, LEDs radiate much less heat and thus are more efficient. We have to protect the Earth as it is the only Earth that we have. Even though we are only students, simple acts such as switching off lights before exiting the room, recycling unwanted materials, and walking instead of taking a car can make a huge difference if we all do it. I have now come to the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed the video and learned something new from it.